This is basically the question number 14. Good interesting questions. This is the easy as well as the time taking questions, you can say. The question says the mean of all 4-digit even natural numbers of the form double A double B, where A should be greater than 0. Now we know that for even the last digit should be either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. But as because the last two digit has the form of BB, so if the unit digit is 0, which means the tens place digit will also be 0. So the last two digit will be double 2 here. This is double 4, this is double 6, and this is double of 8. Now A can take any values more than 0. So it could be 1, 2, 3, any values. So we can say the number will be in the form of 1 1 0 0, 2 2 0 0, 3 3 0 0, and so on till 9 9 0 0. Similarly, here we can say that 1 1 2 2, then 2 2 2 2, then 3 3 2 2, and so on till 9 9 2 2, right? Similarly, we can say here also that double 1 4 4, then 2 2 4 4, right? And so on till double 9 4 4. Similarly, this will start from 1, again it will end with 9966, and this will also start from 1188 and will end at 9988. So everywhere we know that there are total 9 numbers here. Same 9 number is here also, same 9 number is here also, 9 and 9. So total we have 45 numbers. To calculate the mean, what we have to do is the sum of all these 45 numbers divided by 45. Quite a difficult task to sum of all the 45 numbers and divide by 45. But how we can do easily, as we know that here the numbers are basically in AP, we can calculate the average here. Here the number are also in AP, we can calculate the average, and the average is basically what you can do, the first term plus last term by 2, or the middle term will be basically the average one. So what will the middle term? So here the middle term will be double 5 double 0. Here the middle term will be double 5 double 2. Here the middle term will be double 5 double 4. Here the middle term will be double 5 double 6, and here the middle term will be double 5 double 8. So what we can do, 9 times of double 5 double 0 plus 9 times of this plus 9 times of this plus 9 times of double 5 double 6 plus 9 times of double 5 double 8 will give us the sum of these plus this plus this plus this plus this divided by 45. So see, we can do 9 times of 55 double 0 plus 9 times of 55 double 2, and so on till 9 times 55 double 8 divided by 45. Now you know, if you take 9 common and divide this 45, what you will get here is double 5 double 0 plus double 5 double 2 double 4 double 6 until double 5 double 8, and that will be divided by 5, right? And the answer will be what? Double 5 double 4. How we can say like this? You can see that here double 5 double 0, so the difference is what? Double 2, which is 22. Difference here is 22, here difference is 22, here difference is 22, here difference is 22. That means what? This is also in AP. So if there are 5 terms that are in AP, which means the middle term, which is double 5 double 4, will be the average. So from here only we can say the answers will be 5544 without calculating this. Are you getting my point? Why we are saying this? Because here the number are basically in AP. So the average will be the middle term everywhere in all these 5. And now the average is basically here that are also in AP. How we are able here to calculate is these number are in AP as well as the total number is same. Suppose if there are 9 number here, but if the number here is less than 9 or more than 9, we cannot take 5544 as the average, as because the everywhere the number is same. Here 9 9 9 9 and 9. So that's why you know that 9 will get cancelled out and we are finding the average of the average basically, right? So average of the average, if you calculate, that will be correct only when the number are same, right? So here the answer is 5544. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.